Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for September 1st, 2016. As you see, it's about 5 minutes before the bell. Today was all about crude oil trying to pull down the market. And what's happening in here is you have the open interest of the SPX trying to bring it back up. Right now we have the ES is down all of 7. End of the month, a lot of times you get marking right on the close. I wouldn't be surprised to see this down like 10, then back up, only down 6. You have the NASDAQ down all of 4, outperformed all day. Remember, for days it's underperformed. On the premium side, we're actually going to show the action of how when the NASDAQ was down 22, a lot of the NASDAQ stocks refused to go lower. Very interesting. Russell down 6, was down about 12. When the ESs and NQs went to new lows, this refused to go lower. That was a big old tell. Bondaleros down nothing. Waiting for the unemployment report on Friday. Dollar down very little. Gold still resuming its slide. Crude oil having a nice sell-off that we've been posting above way higher that we thought it was a short on the premium side. Transport's down 35, giving back some of yesterday. Advanced declines down only about 700. Tell you right now, the second the ESs popped a little, the advanced declines improved dramatically, and that's how you know it was not going to be a trend day. Also, the SPX having big open interest at 21.75. We talk about that all the time on the premium side. So what do we do from here? First thing you have to understand is the support and resistance areas I think are really important. I'm going to be showing on the premium side. Other things, but I think we're at a very critical juncture in here. One thing that I think is very interesting, and it seems like I was the first one. I know Market Watch, I can't tell you how many times Market Watch is posting the same articles after I posted on the premium site 2 weeks earlier. But this is my whole idea that I've been showing for a long time in here. This is called SpaghettiModels.com. What I want you to see in here, if I can get it to work, is forget about the spaghetti models over here. I mean the actual spaghetti models on the left over here, not a model, but the spaghetti models here. This SpaghettiModels.com. The second this strengthened to a hurricane, this hurricane stocks went up. See this track right here? Right when you saw this track right there, and today when it got upgraded to a named storm, the second that happened, the hurricane stocks, which I've showed before anybody, right here, started going up. The ones that are the biggies that move the most are Generac, which makes generators, and Hormel that makes spam. I was the first one years ago to come up with the idea that spam could be a big deal. Go look at my post that I did on TradingView 4 years ago when Hurricane Sandy hit New York, and watch what Hormel did after I posted it. Just go back in the archives and put in HRL in the charts. But the whole idea is when the market was getting hit today, Generac and Hormel acted like champs in here. Look at 15-minute charts, 5-minute charts of both of them. I'm going to put Hormel on the right, and I'm going to put Generac on the left. These are the kind of ideas that we do all the time on Simpler Stocks. Right here, look at that bull flag right at 38. Next thing, it went to 38.30. Look at this little bull flag right here at 36.80. That's a 50-cent move in a bad market. Both of these acted fantastic almost to the time, the exact time at 11 o'clock when the NOAA updates their hurricane forecast. Very amazing how that worked in there. Like I said, those are the type of things we go over all the time on the Simpler Stocks premium site. If you want to know what our site includes, it includes the email alerts. We send these out all the time, these really cool ideas. Index and futures charts every morning, at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, then some unusual options activity. Threw one in yesterday, worked pretty well. I also showed the option activity in PANW prior to the stock going down 10 points. Pretty neat in there how that works. The other thing this includes is a morning chat room from 9 to 10 in the morning where we go over trade ideas and then actually put in some trades. It also includes the learning meetup where about every 10 days I do a 1-hour learning session. And as you see in here, they go into the archive, and as long as you're a member, you get those for free. We're not talking about 1 or 2. We're talking about a lot of them. A lot of people charge $99 a pop for every one of those, and they come with your subscription in there. We also have a forum in here, which includes, it's a message board type of way, communicator between subscribers or between me. Really fun way to participate. So we have the $7 30-day trial. I hope you can take us up on it. We've actually had literally thousands that have. The other thing, last thing I want to talk about is my friend Bruce, who I'm actually on Skype with right now, is doing the advanced Thinkorswim tricks September 1st, 2016 from 6 to 9 p.m. He's really good with Thinkorswim, really good guy, really smart with all these different tips and tricks. If you get a chance, try to check into his simplertrading.com/class/ look at this right here. Just type that in and it'll pop out. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later.